Friends, today I am going to discuss about the capital market. Okay. So in the previous class, we have discussed about the money market and well as its instruments. Today's discussion will be mainly on capital market. So here the word itself gives the meaning. That is, it's a market for capital. Then every individual require funds. Whether it may be an individual concern or maybe a businessman or maybe a company or maybe a government, everyone requires funds. Okay. So when it comes to money market, it only meets the requirement for a short term, maybe up to 1 year. Okay. Then whereas the capital market is made to serve a long term financial requirement, long term capital requirement. Okay. So here we say the capital market refers to the market for medium and long-term loanable funds. Long-term loanable funds. So here the instruments will be there as like there in the money market. Here in the capital market, the instruments are the stocks and debentures. The instruments here are stocks and debentures. Stocks and debentures as well as are securities are called bonds. So here we need to understand the capital market. We need to understand these terms: stocks, debentures, and securities and bonds. Stocks and securities are having the same meaning. That is issued by the corporate companies to raise the capital. Then debentures means it is also same, but it is like a debt agreement. That is, you are giving debt to the company, debentures. Okay. Then bonds. Bonds means it is also issued. It is also meant for raising a capital. Then it is issued by the government as well as semi-government agency. Okay. These three are issued by the corporate companies, private companies. Whereas bonds are issued by government as well as government agencies like RBI, NABARD and so on. Then here capital market, it does not deal with capital goods. It does not deal with the capital goods, but it is concerned with raising of funds for the purpose of investment. For the purpose of investment. Here in capital market, the institution will be invested. Institution will be invested for long-term benefits. Okay. Then capital market is concerned with issue of new clients on capital and also existing clients. Okay, new clients as well as existing clients. New clients means then the new company is coming up means it will be issuing IPO. What is IPO? IPO means initial public offering. Initial public offering. That is, for example, a new company is coming in the market means to raise the capital, it will be issuing the IPOs. By name, it is called initial public offerings. That is, the people will be like buying the stocks. For example, recently Paytm has issued IPO to raise the capital to expand its business. It has raised the IPO from the market. Okay. And then it is not capital market not only deal with the new clients, it also deal with the existing clients. That is, there are stocks available of SBI, Infosys, okay. Then Wipro, Reliance. That is, the stock in the stock market, the stocks are already available. Okay. Here the capital market deals with new clients as well as the existing clients also. Okay. New stock as well as the old stock also. Okay. And then here marketability of securities is an important element in the efficient functioning of the capital market. And then here the institutions involved in the capital market, if you say, number one is commercial banks. Then apart from that, LIC, GIC, that is the insurance companies. Then private fund, okay, PPF. Then the other institutions like IFCI, Industrial Financial Corporation of India, ICICI, IDBI, as well as UTI. So all these are the investors in the capital market. Okay, that is whenever the company is issuing shares in the market, these commercial banks, LIC, GIC, all these institutions will buy. And then UTI, you know what is UTI? UTI, United Trust of India, previously. Then now it is renamed as Axis Bank. Okay. UTI previously, the UTI was a name for Axis Bank, now it is renamed as Axis Bank. Okay. So here, these are the institutions which are involved in the capital market. Okay, that is these institutions, whenever the companies issues securities or debentures in the market, they will buy. Okay. By using that money, the company will further goes and it will create employment in the market. Okay. It will be like producing goods and services. Okay. So that's about the introduction to capital.